Imagine you're on vacation in a country where you don't speak a single word of the language. You're starving, you walk into a little restaurant, and you want to order a burger. Simple, right? Well, let me draw this out. Over here on the left, I'll draw a circle. This is you. Let me slap a label on that. You. Perfect. Now, way over on the right, I'll draw another circle. This is the chef. I'll just write chef underneath him. So you walk up to the counter and you say, let me draw a little speech bubble here. I would like 1 burger, please. But the chef, he just stares at you. He has no idea what you're saying. He speaks a completely different language. All he hears is, well, just a bunch of noise. This is a problem. There's a communication gap. All right, let me clear this and show you the solution. Wiping the board. There we go. So here's the fix. We'll draw you again on the left, a nice circle, and the chef over on the right, another circle. Now, for the magic ingredient. Right here, smack in the middle, I'm going to draw a new circle. This is our hero. Let me label this person, translator. Now, watch this. I'm going to draw an arrow from you to the translator. You say, I want a burger. The translator understands you perfectly. Then the translator turns to the chef, and I'll draw another arrow from the translator to the chef and says something in the chef's language that means this person wants a burger. The chef's eyes light up. He understands. He goes and makes you a delicious burger. Problem solved. The translator is the bridge between 2 different languages. Keep that idea in your head. You know what? Fresh canvas time. Let me clear all this. Okay, this is exactly how programming a computer works. It's the same exact problem. So over on the left, I'll draw you again, but this time, let me label you, the programmer. And on the right side, instead of a chef, I'm going to draw a rectangle. This is our computer, or more specifically, its brain, the CPU. I'll just write computer under it. My drawing of a computer is, it's just a box. Use your imagination. Okay, so now you, the programmer, write code in a language like Python or Java or C++. It's designed to be readable for humans. But the computer, its brain, oh boy, it only understands 1 language. A really, really basic one. That's just a bunch of 1s and 0s. Seriously, that's it. It's called machine code. So you have the same problem as in the restaurant. You're speaking Python, and the computer is sitting there going, 100110. What? Like, could you even imagine? So what do? We need a translator. And here's where it all comes together. Right in the middle, between you and the computer, we have a special program. I'll draw it as a box. This program's name, and I'll write it right here, is the compiler. The compiler is our translator. It does 1 job, and it does it beautifully. I'll draw an arrow from you to the compiler. You give the compiler your nice, human-readable Python code. Then, and this is the magic part, the compiler works its magic. It translates everything. It takes your code and turns it into that messy but essential language of 1s and 0s. Seriously, that's it. I'll draw another arrow from the compiler to the computer, and this arrow carries the machine code. The computer gets that machine code, and its little brain lights up. It knows exactly what to do. So let me clear this one last time. Gone. A compiler is just a translator for programmers. It's a special program that takes the code that we write in a language that we can understand and translates it into the only language the computer understands, machine code. Without it, we'd all have to learn to speak in 1s and 0s, and trust me, nobody wants to do that. So yeah, the compiler is the unsung hero that lets us talk to our machines. Pretty cool, right?